Hi everyone, it's Sarah, your marketing professor here, and I wanted to just go through a quick tutorial on how you can use a free piece of software that most people out there who have a PC have, and it's called Paint. And what I wanted to do, and what prompted this, is that I want to tape a presentation here in a second through the use of PowerPoint, but I wanted to insert the logo from one of my websites, Your Marketing Professor, into the PowerPoint presentation and just sort of have it as a watermark in one of the corners. But I wanted to put the URL in there as well. So I don't have one that currently has the URL in it, so I just went to File, Open, and I opened up one of the images that I wanted to modify, and I'm just going to add the URL in there myself. So first thing you need to do is open up a text box, and this little A here is the common symbol for a text box. So we just click on that and we have the text box activated, and now we have to tell it where we want the text box. So I just clicked my right mouse button and held it down, and now that looks about where I want it. So I'll just go ahead and type that in. Okay, and let's see. That looks like a decent size, but I think I want just a little bit more space away from it. And I'm going to get rid of this extra around it. And see if that's about centered. Looks right. Okay, click away. There we go. All right, so I entered that in there, and that's it. So went from an image without it and modified it pretty easily by entering a text box. And if we wanted to, we can almost make a little mini banner out of this. There's not a lot of extra room, so this is just more for example, because I wouldn't want to probably go over top of it. I'd want to have some room down here. And let's see if I can do that. Come on. All right, so let's drag. All right, so I'll show you. So what I did is I wasn't sure if it was going to distort it or not, but it didn't. So I'm just going to add some extra room in here, and I'm going to go up and select a brush, and I'm going to create an arrow. So you can go and you can select different types of brushes. So that's a airbrush look. Don't like that, so we get to go up to that handy dandy little powerful undo button. Boom. All right. And in fact, I think I'm going to select red. So this lets you select what color brush or pencil you want to use. And then this is selecting the output, how thick or the style of the output. And I'm going to try this calligraphy one here. So I'm going to just do a, let me think, I'm going to go wee and see if I can make a decent arrow. Okay, there. Not too bad. Okay, and I'm going to go over here and put another text box in, and I'm going to say visit or go to something. I'd have to know what was surrounding this to know the right words, but you get the idea. So we'll just center that up and make it look like it's where it should be visually relative to the start of that arrow. And let's change the font. Let's make it more like a handwritten font, and we'll go down here. I like that one. Oh crap. No, it messed up my centering. But we just redo it. Click off. There you go. And it's a mini little banner almost at that point. But that's not what I want in my presentation. So that's just for demonstrative purposes, but you get the idea. And when things really start to get interesting, or you can start doing more creative things beyond just what Paint can do, is when you start combining the functionality of several different programs. At least when you're trying to use just free programs, you have to start using multiple tools. And one of the things that you can do is go to find out a little bit more about this. Where is it at? Open. And I took a screenshot just a second ago to show you this. If you head on over to one of my websites here, Your Marketing Professor, I have out there where you can download this little ebook that I wrote on 8 cool and free design tools. And all you have to do is hit this little like button, and you should see a link that appears where you can download that, and you can read about some other things that you can add to your arsenal and get cranking out some cool things. And I look forward to seeing what you can do. I would like to just add too that at the time of recording this free offer was on the home page, but I'm sure I'm going to be moving things around pretty frequently, and you might have to hunt a little bit, a little maybe a treasure hunt to find where this is, but it should be there someplace. The other thing is that I'm probably going to be adding little bonuses and free things kind of sprinkled throughout, so while you're searching for it, you might find something else as well. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you soon.